Welcome everyone to the 4th week of Miniature Mondays. Boy, that week sure went fast.
It sure did. It's hard to believe that we're already in week 4 of this month-long collaboration of Miniature Mondays for every Monday in August with Only in My Dreams, Anna. Today we have a really fun video for you, and it's a Rae Dunn inspired mug tree dollhouse miniature. We love Rae Dunn mugs. Who doesn't? And we also know that everyone needs a mug tree for all of their Rae Dunn mugs. Even little dollhouse people need a mug tree for the little mugs, right? So here we go. This little mug tree was made with just 3 supplies: toothpicks, Model Magic clay, and apple barrel acrylic craft paint. That's it. Okay, so here's the little mug tree. All it is one whole toothpick, and the rest are toothpicks cut in half that we shoved into the clay. And because the good thing about Model Magic clay is that when it comes in contact with itself, it sticks. And so that helps in the drying process too.
Wait, you're wondering why this mug rack is Rae Dunn inspired. Well, wait just a moment and you'll find out.
That's what makes it a Rae Dunn mug rack. Isn't that cute? Totally Rae Dunn inspired in miniature dollhouse form.
I'd say that's genius.
Look at the 2 little cups. They have the little colored insides. They're totally misshapen, just like a regular Rae Dunn mug. And they're glazed, and they have the little fall sayings. One says fall and one says y'all. We sure do hope you enjoyed this short but sweet little project share. And when you're done watching this video, we invite you to go watch Anna's video at Only in My Dreams, our collab partner for this Miniature Mondays collaboration. Thanks for watching. Remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.